So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually check your GoTv Decoder IUC number. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the green button on your remote. The IUC number, that's the unique serial number of every GoTv decoder that you're going to use to actually register or activate or do anything that you have to do with your decoder, whether to even clear error, make payments, repay your subscription. You need the IUC number. So normally they place the IUC number at the back of every GoTv decoder and the decoder box. So you're gonna find some white sticker that have the IUC number or the smart card number of your GoTv. And if you have your remote, all you got to do is to press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu here use the arrow top and down keys just to navigate through the option over here, and you come to Information Central. You put it on and then you press OK. So here, as you can see on your screen, we have the IUC number on top of your screen, the CCA IUC number, which is begin with the 75 ends with 003 over there. So you check it and you use it to register or do any kind of activation or anything that has to do with your decoder. And you can also check it in the advanced option over here, and you come to the third option, which is information. You come to the decoder, status over here, and as you can see, we have the serial number, which is the same as the IUC number over there, 7528530003. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new to the channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.